Hi and welcome to another Instrument Choice support video. In this video we'll demonstrate how to measure Brix and acidity levels in fruit using the Atago Pocket Brix Acidity Meter for multi-fruits. To take measurements you will need a scale, the Brix-Acid Meter, your fruit juice sample, the included 100ml beaker and measuring spoon, some deionized water for cleaning, tissues for cleaning, and we also used a pipette. To get started, remove the covers off the included scale. Begin with a zero calibration of Brix and acidity to ensure that the meter is reading accurately. Clean the sensor with water, then dry the area with tissues thoroughly. With nothing on the cleaned sensor, press the start button. 3 L's will appear on the top line. Press the start button again. This time the second line will illuminate. If it reads 000, take no action. If the measurement is not 000, then press the 0 key. Our unit measured 000, so we can move on to the zero calibration for Brix. Apply tap or deionized water to the sensor, then press the start button. If the measurement on the top line for Brix is 000, the device is ready for measurement. If the reading is not 000, press the 0 key. Wipe away the water. Zero setting is now complete and the device is ready to take accurate measurements. Before taking a measurement, you will need to select a scale number. Scale numbers can be found in the user manual and on the back of the unit. We are using juice from a lemon, so we will be setting the scale to 1H for high acidity citrus. Press and hold the R button for 5 seconds until the current scale number displays on the LCD. Use the 0 key to move the numbers upward or the start key to move the numbers down to select a scale number. When the desired scale is on the LCD, press R to confirm. The device will confirm your selection by displaying the selected scale number and set on the LCD. Next, we need to prepare our acid dilution. For the high acidity scale, this is the scale we're using for this example, the dilution ratio is 1 to 100. For all other scales on this unit, the dilution ratio is 1 to 50. Place the beaker on the scale and press the tare button. Pour 1 gram of your fruit juice into the beaker. Then add the deionized water until the total weight is 100 grams, or 50 grams if you're using any scale other than 1H. Stir the dilution mixture gently, then set aside the prepared dilution until you're ready to perform your measurement. To take a Brix acidity measurement, you will need the diluted sample and the undiluted sample. First, apply some of the undiluted sample onto the clean sample well. Press start. Within a matter of seconds, we have a Brix reading of 7.5%. Clean the sensor with water and dry using tissue. Then apply some of the diluted sample onto the sample stage. Note that if you let this sit for a while, you might want to give it a stir. Press the start button. The Brix percentage remains on the top line and the in-use scale will appear briefly on the second line. Then the measured acidity level will display. And just like that, we have our Brix and acidity values. And that's how to measure Brix and acidity using the Atago Pocket Brix Acidity Meter for multi-fruits. For more information on this or other meters by Atago, speak with an Instrument Choice scientist. Call 1300 737 871 or email customer-service@instrumentchoice.com.au. We hope that you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.